Okay, hi guys, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells. And as always, I'm Victoria. So for today, as always, you know when I get excited is because it's either I did a haul, unboxing, or we're trying on new lippies. And I'm really excited because it's another homegrown brand from the Philippines. And yeah, so if you want to know what Case Park Cosmetics lipstick, how they work, what are the shades that I actually chose, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. I'm going to try on this Case Park lipsticks that I purchased from Lipstick Queen SG. She's an Instagram online reseller, if you say so, like seller, wherein she sells like products from the US and also from the Philippines. I'll put her details at the description box if you do want to check her out. She actually recommended trying Case Park Cosmetics. So I did purchase 3, and because I purchased something, she gave me a freebie. This is Naked Desire lipstick. This is how it looks like. This is a freebie. See, it's so pretty. It's like a nude, like neutral color. I'm wearing it now, and this is how it looks like. So Miss Lipstick Queen SG, thank you so much for the freebie. I do appreciate it. I like the packaging. It's bullet lipstick, so yeah, you guys know that I love bullet lipsticks. Let's wipe that off and start with the video. So what is actually Case Park Cosmetics? It's a homegrown brand from the Philippines, which I love the idea that I'm trying like Filipino brand cosmetics because I've heard so much about it. They are PETA certified, they're cruelty free, they're paraben free, they're phthalate free, and according to them, it's a curated international quality of products. The sad thing is they are only available at Shopee PH. That's according to their Facebook page. They don't even have an online website wherein you can check about the brand. It's either you check them out at through Facebook or through their Shopee PH website. And so what did I actually get? I got their Smooch Stixx. Oh my goodness. I got their Smooch Stixx HD Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like when you open them. When you get them, it's like black, and then they have the rose gold writing, which is Case Park. And yeah, I bought 3 colors, and they do claim that they're highly pigmented, they're long wearing, we're going to try, they're mega matte, non-drying, lightweight, transfer proof, and waterproof. You do guys know that whenever I try on lipstick, this type of lipsticks, I would be eating lunch afterwards, and then I'll do a check-in to do my final thoughts. And yeah, let's see. I'm so excited because it's another Filipino brand, and I have my notes here. So I think for me, I really to have notes. If not, I'll be rambling all over the place, and I don't mind sharing with you guys that I do have notes, and I'm trying to pin them on now. So I did get 3 of their HD matte liquid lipsticks, and yeah, so let's try 3. And when you actually open them up, they look like this. It has this very pretty packaging. It has, firstly, can you see that it has like a rose gold cap, and then a plastic thing. Open, let's see, let's do the smell test. Okay, good news. It doesn't have a chemical smell, but it does have a like vanilla buttercream smell, And the applicator would be like your normal applicator, the slanted one, if you can see that, which is fine. And then as always, you would have the colors at the bottom. So let's remove my lipstick first and let's get to try them on. The first lipstick that we're going to try on is Boracay Kiss. It's a muted nude pink. Okay, next one will be Date Her Ex. It's a deep mauve with pink undertones. Last but not the least would be Sweet Spot. It's a muted light mauve with pink undertones. Okay, so that's it. Those are the 3 colors that I actually purchased, and I'll show you some swatches. The first one is Boracay Kiss. The second one is Date Her Ex. And last but not the least is Sweet Spot. So as always, I have to let you know what are my favorites. So I like the last 2, which is Date Her Ex and which is Sweet Spot. Boracay Kiss, just because I know the color is like, when I bought it, I already knew that it's a muted nude pink. But the issue with me, I thought I would be able to pull this off, but I don't know. When I was looking at my phone, when I was trying it on, I didn't like how it looked on me, although the color is actually nice. I think my sister would like it more than I do. Okay, so when I was applying, so now let's go to application. When I was applying it, it is quite easy to apply. I was using the applicator and it was like quite easy for me to apply, in sense that I have control wherein I can just follow the outline of my lips and I wouldn't have any issues with it. I need to pin this note. Sorry. At least you can see the last color, Sweet Spot, like up close and personal. Anyways, so I think it is true that it's highly pigmented because I only need to dip once and then it's enough for me to cover my full lips. And then I did try to see whether it's transfer proof. I think for the first one, which is Boracay Kiss, I think I didn't let it dry like long enough. That's why it did transfer. But I'm wearing this now, it's totally dry. There's none. None. And if you see, this is already totally dry, right? And yeah, it doesn't, oh, my ring. It doesn't even like budge. Does it budge? No. But if you do want to remove it, all you need to do is either you have a, what do you call this? A cleansing wipe, a makeup wipe remover. And then, of course, you need to tug at the start. It's like going to be like, why? It's so difficult to... But actually, it's not. Can you see that? And this is not even a new makeup wipe. I've been like removing lipstick for almost like a few hours now. And yeah, only at the start you would feel like, oh, you're tugging your lips. But once the makeup wipe is like absorbed by your lips, and it's easy. So, people, you know the drill. That was my first thoughts. So now let's actually see how it's going to hold up. I'm going to go down and have lunch with my brother. I think I'm not so sure what am I going to eat, but usually when I try lipstick, first impressions, I would eat something oily. So I'm going down, having my lunch, and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, I'm back. I just finished having my lunch with my brother, and I decided to eat a pasta, a chicken, coleslaw, mashed potato, and soup. I didn't finish everything. I have to pass my leftovers to my brother because there's another story. I don't have the appetite that I used to, but we're not here to talk about that. we're here to talk about the K-Spark Cosmetic Smooch Stixx Fluid HD Matte Lipstick. And I think I'm wearing the Sweet Spot, and they did claim that it's long wearing. It's lightweight, transfer proof, waterproof. I think it's, how do I say this? I think it's long wearing because, as you can see, this is what happens after eating and drinking. Yeah, this is what happens. And I didn't even wear any how do you call it, lip gloss, lip balm underneath it, because I do have dry lips. So let me retouch my face and my lips, and I'll get back for the final thoughts. Okay, I'm back. Retouch, a little bit oily still, but I'm fine with it. I'm wearing the Naked Desire that I got as a freebie from Lipstick Queen SG. I think I like this. The formula is actually nice. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to try other colors from the normal lipstick that they do have. I forgot what it is called, but anyway, final thoughts. I do like the colors. It is highly pigmented. Long wearing wise, I don't mind that I need to retouch it. Actually, I'm the type of person who changes her lipstick quite often within one day. It's like after eating, I'll change the color of my lipstick and so on and so forth. So reapplication for me has never been an issue, but they do claim that it's long wearing. They do claim it's mega matte. It is. Non-drying, as I've said just a while ago, that when you first applied it and it's still drying, you do feel that your lips are dry, but once it's dried, it doesn't feel so drying on your lips. It is not so lightweight because you do feel that you're wearing lipstick, but still comfortable. And whether it's transfer proof, yes, when I first applied it and kissed the back of my hand, it didn't transfer when it's fully dried. But when I did start to eat, maybe because it was oily food, but they did say it's transfer proof and waterproof, which I think it's not. But I do like the color. I think I like the formula but I still have to keep on trying, because I do have first impressions lipsticks videos where I say, oh, I love the formula, I love this, but as I keep on wearing it, I change my mind. Maybe I'll do a video on things that I've changed my mind on. But having said that, I'm so excited because this formula actually can be compared to other international brands, which I'm quite excited because it's a Filipino brand. It's a Philippine-made brand, a homegrown brand, whatever you have to call it. And I'm quite excited because nowadays there's a lot of like Filipino brand coming up, and their products are actually quite good, and their price is comparable. If not, it's more affordable. Yeah, that's my final thoughts. And what are your favorite Filipino brands if you're a Filipino, or if you're not, have you tried any Filipino cosmetic brand? Let me know at the comment section below. There's a lot of new launches recently, and I'm trying to get my hands on some of it so I can review them, I can try them, I can support local brands. Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're from Singapore and you do want to try some Filipino products wherein I know you're not going home so often, please check out lipstickqueen.sg. She does sell a lot of things. I'll again put all the information in the description box just in case you want to check them out. I'm loving this lipstick because just now I didn't wear it like long enough, but yeah, I like it. I'm going to film another video, hopefully with hubby, a reaction video, so you'll see, we'll see. So yeah, that's it. If you like this type of videos, please do give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos at least once a week. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!